Welcome to FutureFlash News, where cool stories are, quite literally, cooler than ever. Today, Antarctica, once fragile and threatened, is now hosting the world's first fully carbon-negative tourism experience. Yes, you heard that right. Visiting Antarctica no longer leaves a footprint. It erases one. Travelers don't just explore the ice, they actively help preserve it. This isn't your average eco-tour. It's part adventure, part climate intervention, and part, how is this even possible? Spoiler: science, engineering, and a little human guilt turned into innovation. At the heart of this transformation, ice-preserving technology that slows melting, reflects solar radiation, and even rebuilds microlayers of ice lost over previous decades. Think of it as a skincare routine for a continent. Hydrate, protect, regenerate. Except instead of wrinkles, we're smoothing out decades of climate damage. Tourists arrive via zero-emission vessels powered by wind, solar, and kinetic ocean energy. The journey itself removes more carbon than it produces. Yes, even with the in-flight snacks. Once on land, visitors join scientists in daily preservation missions. It's hands-on, it's meaningful, and it's probably the only vacation where your souvenir is stabilized permafrost. And yes, there are penguins. They remain unimpressed, but noticeably safer thanks to stabilized habitats and restored ice corridors reconnecting long-separated colonies. The program is governed by an international coalition of scientists, indigenous knowledge leaders, and environmental watchdogs. Because saving a continent requires more than just good intentions and excellent marketing. Data from every tourist activity is tracked in real time. Carbon removed, ice stabilized, ecosystems supported. Your vacation stats are now slightly more impressive than your step count. And the numbers are surprisingly cool. For every visitor, the system removes triple their lifetime travel emissions. That's not neutral, that's climate-positive overachieving. Luxury hasn't disappeared, it's just evolved. Think warm, transparent domes, panoramic ice views, and zero-waste everything. 5-star comfort, minus the 5-star environmental consequences. Even meals are climate-conscious. Lab-grown seafood, algae-based cuisine, and locally synthesized nutrients. It's sustainable, nutritious, and surprisingly not terrible. Critics once called Antarctic tourism irresponsible. Today, it's a model for regenerative travel, where visiting a place actively improves it. Imagine that, tourism as a force for repair. The ripple effects are global. Similar systems are now being tested in coral reefs, rainforests, and even urban heat zones. Vacation packages may soon double as planetary maintenance plans. Of course, access remains limited. Antarctica isn't hosting spring break anytime soon. But the message is clear. Travel doesn't have to cost the Earth, it can help save it. In a world once defined by extraction, Antarctica offers a new narrative. Restoration. A place where curiosity meets responsibility and where footprints are carefully, beautifully undone. This is FutureFlash News, where bold ideas meet real-world impact. Antarctica isn't just a destination anymore. It's a collaboration between humanity and the planet itself.